air, the plasma in the wind, the beautiful sparkling river. I love it so much. Positive feedback loop between the pleasure and the joy as the wind caresses my cheeks in the sun.